Hello guys, welcome back to this video. And this video I'm going to show you how I can apply the not equals to operator on strings. As you can see, I'm going to create two strings, str1 comma and my second string. Now I'm going to write this line for the user. First string semicolon, and its value will get stored in the first string. And now the second string, and its value will get stored in str2. As you can see, I'm going to create an if condition, and here you have to apply the not equals to operator. And now I'm going to write my answer if my first condition is true, which is strings are not same semicolon. Now you have to write your else condition. Strings are same if my condition gets rejected. As you can see, if I go and run it, it's asking for my first string. And if I enter a different string, it is telling me that my strings are not same using the not equals to operator. And as you can see, if I write both tigers, it is telling me that my strings are same. That's how you can check if your strings are same or not by using the not equals to operator. Make sure to like the video, subscribe.